Tuesday, I wanted to talk to you about actually using a custom field of a file or image upload and being able to use that in emails dynamically. So if you have your contacts upload their headshots, so you have a form that you have all your clients' headshots and you want to send them an email including that headshot, what's cool is you can use a image element either in an email, builder email, or you can, when you go to add an image in a workflow email where you see that little image icon and you can add it and it asks for the source, you can actually put a custom field in there so that it pulls the image from that contact record instead of whatever image you would use otherwise. So for example, in this email, I have contact upload your headshot user 2. So this upload your headshot was a file upload field in a form, or if you somehow in the contact record this custom field's being answered and they're uploading their headshot, right? So if you use the custom field of the image upload field, you can actually put that into anywhere you would want an image to be pulled in. So again, you can have it in an image element in an email builder email, or when you put an image into a workflow builder email, you are able, or wherever you're putting an image, you're actually able to use that custom field. So then what happens when I would send this, I can show you here on my other screen. So this is the email, and it actually pulled in my dynamic headshot from my contact record. And if I were to send this to Melissa and her headshot was uploaded, she would get the email with her headshot, I would get the email with my headshot. And you can do this with any image file upload custom field that you may have on any form or survey. But again, you can use that image element wherever you're putting in an image in a email. And you can use the custom field for that field, and it will dynamically pull that in. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. We'll be happy to answer. And in the meantime, have a great Tuesday.